We are from Government Engineering College Ajmer, EC department, and our topic is sci-fi technology. Content: Introduction, Network Evolution, History, Why Sci-Fi, Comparison with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and Sci-Fi. What is a Sci-Fi? Architecture, Sci-Fi chip, block diagram, working, why 60 GHz, disadvantage of Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, features, application, technology consideration, consolation, and preference. Introduction: Sci-Fi is gigabit wireless technology that refers to a wireless communication at a data of more than 1 billion bit per second. Gigabit. By 2004, some trade press used the term Sci-Fi technology to refer to first version of the IEEE 802.11 standard market under the trademark Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi Max have the capture our attention as there are no recent development which is the transfer data and fast rate video information transferring is taking a lot of time. Sci-Fi is developed on a integrated wireless transceiver chip is which is a small antenna is used both transmit receiver integrated on a single chip are fabricated using the complementary metal oxide semiconductor process CMOS. Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi Max are the recent development of data transfer. Problem with the fast state of data transfer as the video information transfer is taking lot of time. This lead of to introduction of Wi-Fi technology with far more advantage of Wi-Fi. Sci-Fi allows a full length of high definition movie to be transferred between two devices in seconds. To the higher megapixel count on your camera, in the increased bit rate on your music file, the higher resolution of your video file, and so on. Network evaluation. Two types of network evaluation techniques: the wired technology and wireless technology. The wired technology is communication wire is used the data transmission, for example, telephone network, cable television, internet access, and fiber optic communication. A wireless network technology is the show the diagram, the cable transmission of data extent of that we use the different signal such as Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. After 19th century is cable used the data transferring and after the optical fiber in developed the 1970s and after wireless access in 1980s and Bluetooth in 1989 development and invented in 1991 is Wi-Fi technology and after 2001 June Wi-Fi Max and development of 2004 is Wi-Fi technology and under process of development in Wi-Fi technology. Bluetooth is the first wireless technology designed to connect the device for transmission of data over the short distance is based on IEEE 802.15 standard. Bluetooth uses two types of network, Piconet and Scatternet, and this technology has applications such as communication of wireless mouse, keyboard with computer, home security device, and connected defense sensor and security control synchronized of computer is reference act. And after Wi-Fi technology is developed 1991, Bluetooth IEEE 802.11 standard provide the secure, reliable, and fast wireless connectivity. Speed is 11 MB per second and after 2001 developed in Wi-Fi Max enhanced the version of Wi-Fi technology, the worldwide interoperability for the microwave access Wi-Fi Max based on IEEE 802.16 standard designed to provide a high-speed, wide-area broadband wireless access. 50 km area of Wi-Fi max and Wi-Fi support only 100 meter. And Wi-Fi max is flexibility is one of the many advantages of technologies Wi-Fi. The licensed and unlicensed spectrum is used the Wi-Fi max. History. The Professor Stan Scofides of University Research in Sci-Fi Technology, the development at the National Information and Communication Technology Research Centre in Melbourne, Australia. It can have a span of 100 meter. Now, Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi technology, the world's first transceiver integrated on a single chip that operates at a 60 GHz at, on the CMOS processor. The slow rate of data transfer, high power consumption, low range of frequency operation of early technology than the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. The NICTA research have chosen to development this technology in 57 to 64 GHz unlicensed frequency band as a millimeter wave range of the spectrum makes the possible high component on chip integration as well as allow from the integration of very small high gain array. Then available is 7 GHz spectrum result is very high data rate up to 5 gigabits per second to user within the indoor environmental. Now again the architecture of Wi-Fi technology. The core component of Wi-Fi system is the subscribed station which available several access points. Wi-Fi technology support the IEEE 802.15.3c. The wireless span is computer network used for communication among computer devices close to one person, including telephone and personal digital assistant. And 802.15.3c based system often they use the small antenna at the subscribe station. The antenna is mounted on the roof so it support the line of sight operation. The technology is used the unlicensed band 57 to 64 GHz define the FCC 47 CFR 15.255. The millimeter wave VPN will allow high octants with the all other microwave system in the 802.5 family. The the GWLN there are two technology that multiple input multiple output MIMO and system second is system on a package SOP. The architecture of Wi-Fi. Now again Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi technology show the table. Characteristic the development of start Wi-Fi technology 2004 and Wi-Fi is 1990 and Bluetooth is 1998. The specification authority NICTA, IEEE, WECA Wi-Fi technology and Bluetooth is Bluetooth SIG. The frequency is very high other Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to Wi-Fi technology. The 57 to 60 GHz Wi-Fi technology and Wi-Fi technology 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth is 2.4 GHz. The data transfer rate is Wi-Fi technology very high above the Wi-Fi technology and Bluetooth, the 5 GB per second, and range of 10 meter leads of Wi-Fi technology and, and Wi-Fi technology, the range is 100 meter. The power consumption is less than 2 milliwatt and Wi-Fi technology 10 milliwatt and Bluetooth is 10 milliwatt, 5 milliwatt. Primary device is both use of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technology is used the Wi-Fi technology. Mobile phone, home device and electronic actors. And now again Wi-Fi technology. Wi-Fi is the word of first transceiver integrated on single chip that operate a 60 GHz on the CMOS process. It will allow the wireless transfer of audio and video data at up to 5 gigabit per second and 10 times the current maximum wireless transfer rate at one tenth the cost. And INICTA research have chosen to develop this technology in the 57 to 64 GHz unlicensed frequency and the millimeter wave range of spectrum make possible high component on chip integration as well as allowing for the integration of very small high gain array. The available of 7 GHz spectrum result in very high data rate, but up to 5 gigabit per second to user within an indoor environmental, usually within a range of 10 meter. It is satisfy the standard of IEEE 802.15.3c. Now again NICTA research have chosen to development these 57 to 60 GHz and the available is 7 GHz spectrum result in very high data rate up to 5 gigabit per second to the user within an indoor environmental, usually within a range of 10 meter. It is satisfy the standard IEEE 802.15.3c. This fundamental technology is 802.15.3c. The wave of VPN will be operated in the new and clear band including 57 to 60 GHz unlicensed band defined the FCC 47 CFR 15.25 millimeter wave will allow the high extension. It is mean of close physical spacing. This is Wi-Fi technology. Now Wi-Fi chip. Wi-Fi chip is the network chip in a Wi-Fi technology. By the offering reduced size and power consumption, can be used to send and receive the large amount of data in a variety of applications. It is able to transfer gigabit of data within second and therefore it can be used on hang data file transfer, and it is expected that this is cheapest replace HDMI. It means the high definition multimedia interference cable use and could development wireless home and office of features. The Wi-Fi chip is good news of personal area network because there is no internet infrastructure available to cope in with. It can the span of 10 meters. The following is described the diagram. The measuring of 5 mm within the antenna 1 mm. Manufacturing cost is 38 rupees Indian currency. Consume the 2 watt of power. Operator in the millimeter wave spectrum 30 to 30 gigahertz. Made of silicon chip. Size of 5 mm. This is finger. Show the diagram and corner of these upper side this the chip corner of antenna the silicon square of shape use the CMOS technology and shown the Wi-Fi chip is one of Australian most lucrative technology, and Wi-Fi chip is mobile device is new gigabit wireless system is provide the multi gigabit wireless technologies remove the need of cable. There's a mixer, PA, filter, equalizer is Wi-Fi chip in mobile devices. Now again block diagram of Wi-Fi technology that use the IF signal convert to RF signal and power amplifier and wave antenna. And after receiver side RF signal is convert to IF signal 5 GHz and normally data is used. The working principle of this block diagram and Wi-Fi technology is use the time division multiplication of both transmission and receiver system. What is a time division duplicate? Time division duplex. The separate outward and return single time division multiplication is used time division duplex application. It hold on full duplex communication over a half duplex communication link. As the uplink traffic grows more than channel capacity and a dynamical assigned to that decrease it can be taken away. TDD divided a data stream into frame allocated different time a slot of forward and receive transmission, thereby allowing the both type of transmission to share the similar transmission. And uplink and downlink is used and center of guard band and frequency is increased. It is a time division duplex. And now the working is both transceiver and transmission and receiver side. The time division duplex is used both sides by the using the two mixer data file are up converter from the IF range to RF 60 GHz, and these wave feed to the power amplifier and to the millimeter wave antenna. After that, to get the normal data range, the incoming RF signal in the first down converter to an IF signal. Center at 5 GHz to avoid the leakage due to direct conversion and due to availability of 7 GHz spectrum, the total data will be transferred within second and for the heterodyne construction is used. This show the upper slide is block diagram of Wi-Fi technology and the working is this use the TDD. Now again